When you've signed up, you'll land on the setup page. First, add the name of your loved one. This is the person you want to send messages to. You'll need the recording code to leave a message. The nurse or care worker will need the playback code to play the messages. To leave a message, dial any of the numbers here. Be aware that long-distance rates may apply.
Welcome to the sound of your love. Please enter your passcode. You have reached the voice setup for Riley Jones. You may press 1 at any time to skip the intro message and consent to the recording. This audio message is an opportunity to comfort your loved one and remind them that they are not alone or forgotten. Speak your words in a regular tone and speed. You have 5 minutes to record your message. Please be mindful that your message is being recorded and may be heard by others who are assisting your loved one with these messages. If you consent with this recording, press 1. Please leave your message at the sound of the beep. When you're done speaking, press the pound button.
Hi, Riley. It's your friend Christine. I just wanted to leave you a message to let you know that I'm thinking about you.
Press 1 if you would like to erase your message and record a new one. Otherwise, press any other key if you're satisfied with your message. Thank you for using Sound of Your Love. Your message has been received.
You can invite others to record a message too. We've created a template that contains all the instructions, including the access code they need. You can copy the invitation text or enter email addresses and click send. All the messages people record can be seen on the Messages page. The messages will play back for your loved one in the order you see here, with the newest message playing first.
Hi, Riley. It's your friend Christine.
If you mute a message, they will not hear it. Here's what you will see when messages have started coming in. You can add a description for messages here. You can type the name of the person who left the message or other information that sets it apart. If you want to mark a message as a favorite, click the heart to add them to the favorites playlist. You can also add more playlists. Some messages might be someone singing a song, for example, so if you want, you can put those into a playlist. Playlists are totally optional. If you want to keep things simple, you can always just view all the messages here. If you want to change the order in which your loved one hears the messages, you can simply click, hold, and drag the message. The new order will now be reflected in the playback. If you're wondering whether a message has been played for your loved one, you can see the playback count here. In playback settings, you can set the messages to play continuously on a loop. This is also where you can mute entire playlists. For example, if you'd like your loved one to only hear favorites today, you can mute the other playlists. When you want your loved one to listen to the messages, you can send playback instructions to the care worker here. You can copy the template, which includes the playback code. When the care worker dials in and puts in the playback code, they will have access to the messages. They can put it on speakerphone near your loved one while they complete their tasks.
Welcome to the sound of your love. Please enter your passcode. You have reached the voice setup for Riley Jones.
Hi, Riley. It's your friend Christine. I just wanted to leave you a message to let you know that I'm thinking about